Okay, folks, today's public health announcement is brought to you courtesy of Heart, Mind, Soul and the HMS Nation. Today we're going to be talking briefly about how to create your very own COVID-19 or coronavirus mask. There's a lot of shortages out there, and we wanted to do our part to show you what you can do here. So now again, this is not recommended by the FDA or government approved. This is just our little way of helping to keep yourself safe. So first thing you're going to want to do is find an old t-shirt here. We took this Gildan product that we got, and then you're going to want to go right along the seam here. We already went ahead and did this so I can show you, but you're going to go take the seam of the t-shirt, and you're going to want to cut right along this seam here, and this will give you a really nice clean cut. You can follow that as a template, and you can see here this is what you should be left over with. Nice part of this is you should get about 2 of these per t-shirt, unless you're buying some of those weird three sleeve t-shirts, and you simply take this and slip it over your face like so, and you've got this nice let's see here, you've got this nice little hem where it will tighten around your face and keep it nice and tight, and it will keep you from getting coronavirus in your face. And that's how we do it, folks, courtesy of Heart, Mind, Soul and the HMS Nation.